Hey guys, so I'm doing a review on the Real Techniques sponges by Nick and Sam, so keep on watching. Hey guys, so let's get started. I'm going to be reviewing, like I said, the Real Techniques by Sam and Nick. I picked this up at Target for like $18.99, and I have been watching videos, and it's very comparison to the beauty blender, and you only get one beauty blender for like 20 bucks at Macy's or Sephora or anywhere like that, and you get 6 of these in all together for almost the price of the beauty blender. So this one right here is comparable to the beauty blender. So that's what I saw and heard. So it says on the back, I'll insert a picture too, it says use damp or dry. So it, like I said, it comes with 6. It comes with this big one, then the minis. I'm reading the back, and it says the pink one is a miracle sculpting sponge. So they're each called sponges at the end. So let's get started. I haven't even opened this up, so here we go. It comes in a little case. Oop, one already fell out. And each of them, like you can see, is different colors. So I'm gonna put my foundation on, so that's the next step. Okay, so I'm opening my brand new foundation by LA Colors Truly Matte Long Lasting White High Foundation. I've done videos on that before. So I'm going to take this very first one, and I'm going to, the last one, so the other orange one. So this one right here. So, and I'm just gonna squirt. I've heard to use this part instead of the pointy part, so I'm gonna try that. I'm just gonna squirt a little bit on there, like that. Right now I can tell you that these are really soft. So I'm just gonna pat it in like I did the airbrush one. And see how it turned out. It's much softer than my foundation contour brush, so I'm already loving it. I think I'm gonna use the pointy one, or the pointy side, I should say, for the little creases in, like, right there on my eye, because I have, like, dark circles, and I cannot find my, my concealer, so that will probably be the next one, that I'll do for beginners, is how to apply, concealer. So I will be back and with the end result of this little part. I just don't want to bore you. So I'm still applying, but I wanted to show you the top of it, because I'm going to put it right in, like, on my eye and see what happens. Oh, I just got it in my hair. Lovely. Sorry, guys. So I'm just going to apply it right here. I'm gently going. Sorry if I look up in the mirror. And see how it works. Like I said, usually you do this with concealer, but I cannot find my concealer, so let's see. Okay, so that side pretty much worked, so I'm gonna do the rest and come back. So for this pink one, it says Miracle Sculpting sponge creates shadows or highlights your favorite facial features. Use damp for a dewy glow or dry for a full coverage finish. So that's what it says. So I'm going to try it out. So I'm liking it more than my contour brush, or my foundation brush too. So I just squirt a little bit on there for my foundation and go like this. Oh, sorry guys. And just put it all around my face. I like this pointy one, the tip of it. So now I'm gonna just blot it on this side. Like, it's gonna be a very different finish for me this time. So I'm liking it. I don't even know if I'm using it right, but I like doing it this way. So I will be back with one more to show you, and it's this one. It's almost like comparison to this one, so it might be the same, I don't know, but let's see. Yeah, it basically is. So I've already used this one, doing this one the first round, so I'm loving these. I've never tried out a beauty blender before, so I'm probably gonna pick that up sometime pretty soon and compare them to the Real Techniques, the sponges that I just got, and see what the difference is. So stay tuned and I'll be back with the end result. So now I'm going to do a powdered one instead of a liquid one that I just... So for the powdered look, or with the Real Techniques, I'm going to take a little bit of both and blend them together and see how that is. So here we go. Just gonna take some of that, rub it, take some of this, rub it. See how it's blended? And I'm just gonna pat it in like this. And blend it all together. So I will come back with the end result and show you this time. Hey guys, I'm back with the end result of the Real Techniques sponges, the 6 Miracle sponges. I don't know. Oh, it's see-through. That's why. I am in love with these products. I haven't tested out the beauty blender yet. This isn't the beauty blender. This is from the Real Techniques, but they are soft and they do work really well. It gave me a different finish. I don't know if you can tell on my face, but it did, and I totally recommend that you go pick these up at Target. You get 6 of them, in the package, like I said before, 6 of them, for $18, $19, and that is the same price for one beauty blender. So I totally recommend that you go pick it up at your local Target. That's where I found it. So I only found it at Target. So please, if you have any questions, comments, put them down below in the comment box. Please also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching.